Hello everyone, welcome back to the channels. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix messenger call failed on Android. If you're using an Android phone and you are having an issue to failing of your messenger calls, let's see how can you fix it. You just have to check that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So just scroll down your control center and you will get if you are connected to cellular or Wi-Fi. Yes, I'm connected to Wi-Fi network. So you just have to enable your airplane mode. So just tap on it and it will be enabled. Now briefly wait for 5 or 10 or 15 seconds. And after that, you just have to tap on it to disable it again. It will make a quick refresh in your network settings. After that, you have to go back, go to home screen, and here just look for Instagram app. Keep a long press on it, or you just have to tap on info icon, and here you have to look for permissions. You just have to allow the all permissions. Just tap on the permission and then tap on allow all or allow only while using the app. So you just have to do the same with all the permissions, and after that if you're still having the issue, you just have to keep a long press on your power button and then tap on restart to make a restart of your phone. So after that your issue will be fixed and you can easily make messenger calls on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.